The objective of the college is to give students of all creeds a liberal Christian higher education, to train them in the service of God and people, and to do such other things as are in harmony with that object. The motto of the college is Purificatus non consumptos. The quality policy statement of the college is to impart knowledge of the global standards with inclusive Christian values for socio-economic uplifting. The American College, a higher education known for its focus on academic excellence and social relevance. Its pioneering role in the development of college autonomy in India. Its successful early implementation of choice-based credit system in 1978 and its completion of 135 years of services bear testimony to the position that the college currently enjoys. Originally founded as a missionaries in 1841, the American College grew into a collegiate department in 1881 at Pasumalai by the initiatives taken by revered G.T. Washburn, the founder principal of the college. In the year 1906, the college was shifted to the present campus during the time of the second principal, W. M. Zambro. It became independent of the mission in 1934 when an autonomous governing council was formed to manage its own affairs. Earlier, it was affiliated to the University of Madras, and later it came under the jurisdiction of Madurai Kamaraj University. With its extreme sensitivity to national policies and community needs, the college has grown from strength to strength. It was one of the first set of 7 colleges to be made autonomous by the UGC in 1977-1978. Today, the college offers 26 UG programs, 17 PG programs. There are 7 research centers offering 10 Phil programs, 8 PhD programs in various disciplines, and 2 autonomous centers like Department of Applied Sciences DAS and Study Center for Indian Literature in English and Translation Skillet, receiving national and international attention. Its alumni shine as luminaries internationally as scientists, intellectuals, administrators, corporate managers, statesmen, and leaders. The college has active theatre groups, National Service Scheme NCC units, and Service Learning Program SLP that offer students a wide variety of opportunities to serve society. These activities add up to make the campus vibrant for developing one's personality. The American College stands proud with its infinite victories, touching the zenith that an institution can ever reach. The college has sculptured talents who are internationally renowned and serve the best to the society. The American College stands as a symbol of heritage since its establishment from 1881. Withholding the best human resources of the country, the alumni stands an epitome of knowledge. The campus meets the international standards with no speck of doubt. The lush green environment with the architectural buildings, it is a paradise of the knowledge seekers. The green campus invokes serenity and exploration traits for the students. The majestic building with the traditional architecture is an art. Every learner who enters the campus is invited with the age-old trees that withholds the legacy of wisdom. The enlightenment is born to the students through the nature and professionals hand in hand. Each campus cherishes a history and its establishment to serve the students to the utmost. The professors are the experts who sculpt the student's life with the nuances of life skills and knowledge. They are the inspiration and pillars of the college who influence the students to make a difference in the world. They are the torchbearers of wisdom and knowledge. The professors strive hard to impart their expertise and awake the thirst of exploration in students. The college gives the best ambience, knowledge, and happiness the students cherish all their life. They have the freedom to learn all that interests them, like extracurricular activities. The college produces the maximum number of university blues in the following sports and games: the college blooms with full of life and enigma that touches the heart of everyone, and hence the college days become the best days of their life. The topmost office bearers of the institution: Bishop Right Reverend Dr. M. Joseph, President, the Governing Council of the American College; the Principal and Secretary Dr. M. Davamani Christopher, the American College, Madurai; Vice Principal Dr. G. C. Abraham; Bursar Dr. Sheila Dorothy; Controller of Examination Dr. A. Martin David.
Greetings from the Principal of the American College, Madurai. The American College was established in the year 1881 by the American missionaries, the oldest in South Tamil Nadu. Main object of the institution is to give students of all grades a liberal Christian higher education, to train them in the service of God and humanity. The American College is one of the first 7 colleges in India to introduce autonomy. First college in South India to accommodate women students, and first college in Tamil Nadu to introduce science program. This is the institution with a lot of heritage buildings.
Library. The Daniel Poor Memorial Library of the college is the earliest public library in Madurai with open access system, housing about 160,000 books. Daniel Poor was one of the missionaries of the American Board who started the American Ceylon Mission in Jaffna in 1816. It subscribes to 700 different journals covering a wide range of subjects. Students can use internet facility at the library. The library is kept open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. on all working days. Each student can withdraw a maximum of 10 books at a time. Apart from this, every department has its own specialized library. The library has unique collections like ancient swords, soldier's helmet, coins, knife, and rare collections of a part of Sivaha Sindhamani in palm leaf inscription. Internationally renowned persons like Rabindranath Tagore, Rockefeller, Annadurai, and many more personalities visited the college library and recorded their memories in the form of signatures. The library has been updated and blended with the latest technologies to access to e-books, e-journals, and e-newspapers by the students, professors, and research scholars. The library bears more than thousands rare books, where it has been digitalized for the easy access in the college campus. alumni can access the college library during working hours of the college is another salient feature of the library. Skillet, that is, Study Center for Indian Literature in English and Translation, is a research library housing about 11,750 books and 40 journals. Access to e-resources is available in the library. Free internet cafe for the exclusive use of students is also provided in the library. Central Instrumentation Center, CIC, is an advanced laboratory infrastructure common to all science departments. It houses sophisticated equipments International Student Exchange Program. The American College permits students to continue part of their degree program abroad under different exchange programs. The college has collaboration with UBC HEA program, USA, Appalachian State University, USA, University of Hildesheim for the exchange program. The building of the American College stands majestically to reflect their conventional and unique architecture. And stands proud for more than 100 years. The buildings are Main Hall, Daniel Poor Memorial Library, James Hall, Stauffer Hall, Washburn Hall, Zamro Hostel, Binghamton Hall, Chapel, Dr. Richard P. Reyes Hall, Dudley Hall, Wallace Hall. The campus also beautifies with modern architectural buildings like Saunders Hall, Paul Linder Love Hall, Centenary Hall, Women's Hall, Noyes Garden, John X. Miller Building.
The success of American College is freedom. Freedom to the students. Freedom to think, freedom to acquire knowledge, as well as positive thinking. Be positive always. That is American College. God bless.